1992 Ford Ranger. Those are the two contacts right there for these wires. This was pulled right there like that. Take that out. And I believe we can now insert the steering wheel puller. And also, here's some screws you can take out from the back. This came off just like that. That's what you find. And I believe, so this is the steering wheel cover put on. I got this kit here from O'Reilly's. It says it shouldn't need this. I believe it's that one. Okay, so you can see as I tighten it, it's coming up more, and that's what you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up really well and tighten this up. Right, now that both are tightened, I should just need to tighten it more, and it should come out. There you go. The wheel is off. And now you have that. Very easy. Very, very easy. And now I have to connect the new one.